Hi, I'm Joe Barton from RAMP, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about newspapers. The whole idea of advertising in the newspaper is to be seen, but what most people do is buy a quarter-page ad, a half-page ad, or a full-page ad. And what happens is if you buy a quarter-page ad or a half-page ad, the newspaper will most likely put other ads around you because it's an even size. One of the things that we recommend all of our clients do is do an odd size. Newspapers have columns. A standard broadsheet newspaper has 6 columns across. What we recommend our clients do is buy 5 columns. This way it leaves it 1 column left, and the newspaper 99% of the time will put editorial there. Finish a story. So at least you know the people that were reading that story will see your ad. To learn more about RAMP, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 800-620-RAMP. RAMP.